Okay, you ready? Ready for the picture? Who's Santa? Which one's Santa? You're Santa? Okay, you gotta ask her what you want, Gunner.
I want a dolly. Yes. Okay.
You want a dolly? I'm ignoring Mommy's phone call. She won't be happy with me. She's got very bad timing. Wait. What? Are you gonna give him the dolly? Santa Claus?
I already did it.
Oh, you already gave him the dolly. Do you like your dolly, Gunner? Oh, is that nice? Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Say ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Okay, let's go. It's Lassie's turn.